My name is Emma. I am 25 years old, and today is an important day in my life. I am moving to a small town called Greentown. This is my first time living far from my family, so I feel excited and nervous at the same time. Greentown is a quiet and beautiful place. The town has many trees, clean streets, and small houses. The air feels fresh, and the people look friendly. When I arrive, I take a deep breath and tell myself that this is the beginning of a new life. On my first day in Greentown, I walk around the town to explore my new environment. I carry a small bag and look at the buildings around me. Everything feels new and unfamiliar, but I enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. While walking, I meet a kind man who helps me find my new home. His kindness makes me feel more comfortable in this new place. The next morning, I wake up early because it is my first day at work. I work as an English teacher at a small school in the town. I prepare my books and lesson materials carefully. When I arrive at the school, I feel a little nervous, but I try to stay calm and confident. The school is simple but clean. The students look curious and eager to learn. As the lesson begins, I feel more relaxed. Teaching the students makes me happy, and I realize that I really enjoy my job. At the end of the day, I feel proud because my first day goes well. In the afternoon, dark clouds cover the sky and heavy rain starts to fall. I walk home under the rain because I forget to bring an umbrella. Although I get wet, I do not feel angry or sad. Instead, I feel grateful because I am learning to face small problems by myself. That evening, I sit near the window while drinking a warm cup of tea. I think about my new job, the new town, and the people I have met. Even though everything is still new, I feel hopeful and grateful. I realize that starting a new life is not easy, but it is always full of lessons. Greentown slowly feels like home, and I believe that better days are waiting for me in the future.